Hello friends, today you gonna learn most important words and its antonyms. So keep practicing with me. Let's start. Above, below, absent, present, accident, intent, accomplishment, failure, achieve, fail, add, subtract, adjacent, distant, admire, detest, admit, reject, adore, hate, advance, retreat, affirm, deny, afraid, confident, after, before, aid, hinder, alarm, comfort, alert, asleep, alive, dead, allow, forbid, alone, together, amateur, professional, amuse, bore, ancient, modern, annoy, soothe, answer, question, apparent, obscure, argue, agree, arrive, depart, arrogant, humble, ascend, descend, attack, defend, attract, repel, awake, asleep, awkward, graceful, back, front, bad, good, bare, covered, beautiful, ugly, before, after, bent, straight, better, worse, big, little, birth, death, bitter, sweet, black, white, blunt, sharp, body, soul, bold, timid, bottom, top, brave, cowardly, break, repair, brief, long, bright, dull, bring, remove, boy, girl, busy, idle, buy, sell, capture, release, cause, effect, cautious, careless, center, edge, change, remain, cheap, expensive, child, adult, chilly, warm, clean, dirty, close, open, cold, hot, command, obey, complex, simple, compliment, insult, constant, variable, continue, interrupt, cool, warm, copy, original, countryman, foreigner, crazy, sane, crooked, straight, cruel, kind, cry, laugh, curse, bless, dawn, sunset, day, night, deep, shallow, destroy, create, difficult, easy, dim, bright, divide, unite, doubt, trust, drunk, sober, dull, sharp, dumb, smart, damage, improve, dark, light, earth, sky, east, west, easy, hard, elementary, advanced, end, begin, even, odd, evening, morning, evil, good, exceptional, common, expand, shrink, fail, pass, failure, success, false, true, famous, unknown, fancy, plain, fast, slow, fat, thin, fiction, fact, find, lose, finish, start, firm, flabby, fix, break, follow, lead, forgive, blame, forward, backward, free, restricted, fresh, stale, friend, enemy, funny, sad, full, empty, generous, stingy, gentle, rough, get, give, giant, tiny, or small, or dwarf, girl, boy, give, receive, or take, glad, sad, or sorry, gloomy, cheerful, go, stop, good, bad, or evil, grant, refuse, great, tiny, or small, or unimportant, grow, shrink, guest, host, guilty, innocent, happy, sad, hard, easy, hard, soft, harmful, harmless, harsh, mild, hate, love, haves, have-nots, healthy, diseased, or ill, or sick, heaven, hell, heavy, light, help, hinder, here, there, hero, coward, high, low, hill, valley, hinder, help, honest, dishonest, horizontal, vertical, hot, cold, humble, proud, ill, healthy, or well, immense, tiny, or small, important, trivial, in, out, include, exclude, increase, decrease, inferior, superior, inhale, exhale, inner, outer, inside, outside, intelligent, stupid, or unintelligent, intentional, accidental, interesting, boring, interesting, dull, or uninteresting, interior, exterior, internal, external, join, separate, junior, senior, just, unjust, justice, injustice, knowledge, ignorance, known, unknown, landlord, tenant, large, small, last, first, laugh, cry, lawful, unlawful, or illegal, lazy, industrious, leader, follower, left, right, lend, borrow, lengthen, shorten, lenient, strict, less, more, light, dark, or heavy, like, dislike, or hate, likely, unlikely, limited, boundless, little, big, long, short, loose, tight, lose, find, loss, win, loud, quiet, love, hate, low, high, loyal, disloyal, mad, happy, or sane, major, minor, many, few, mature, immature, maximum, minimum, melt, freeze, merry, sad, messy, neat, minor, major, minority, majority, miser, spendthrift, misunderstand, understand, more, less, nadir, zenith, narrow, wide, near, far, or distant, neat, messy, or untidy, never, always, new, old, night, day, nighttime, daytime, no, yes, noisy, quiet, none, some, north, south, obedient, disobedient, odd, even, offer, refuse, old, new, old, young, on, off, open, closed, or shut, opposite, same, similar, optimist, pessimist, out, in, outer, inner, over, under, past, present, patient, impatient, peace, war, permanent, temporary, plentiful, scarce, plural, singular, poetry, prose, polite, rude, or impolite, possible, impossible, poverty, wealth, or riches, powerful, weak, pretty, ugly, private, public, prudent, imprudent, pure, impure, or contaminated, push, pull, qualified, unqualified, question, answer, quiet, loud or noisy, raise, lower, rapid, slow, rare, common, real, fake, regular, irregular, rich, poor, right, left or wrong, right side up, upside down, rough, smooth, rude, courteous, safe, unsafe, same, opposite, satisfactory, unsatisfactory, scatter, collect, second hand, new, secure, insecure, separate, join or together, serious, trivial, shallow, deep, shrink, grow, sick, healthy or ill, simple, complex or hard, singular, plural, sink, float, slim, fat or thick, slow, fast, sober, drunk, soft, hard, some, none, sorrow, joy, sour, sweet, sow, reap, start, finish, stop, go, straight, crooked, strict, lenient, strong, weak, success, failure, sunny, cloudy, sweet, sour, synonym, antonym, take, give, tall, short, tame, wild, them, us, there, here, thick, thin, tight, loose or slack, tiny, big or huge, together, apart, top, bottom, tough, easy, tender, transparent, opaque, true, false, truth, falsehood, lie, untruth, under, over, unfold, fold, unknown, known, unqualified, qualified, unsafe, safe, up, down, upside down, right side up, upstairs, downstairs, us, them, useful, useless, vacant, occupied, vanish, appear, vast, tiny, victory, defeat, virtue, vice, visible, invisible, voluntary, compulsory, war, peace, wax, wane, weak, strong, wet, dry, white, black, wide, narrow, win, lose, wisdom, folly, or stupidity, within, outside, wrong, right, yes, no, yin, yang, young, old, zenith, nadir, zip, unzip. Thanks for watching.